How to fix WhatsApp waiting for this message issue on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button located on top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, search for apps and notifications. Simply type apps and notification, click on apps and notification, then click on WhatsApp. Force stop the app. After that, simply go to storage and cache. Clear cache and clear storage if you want to log into your account again. After that, go to permission and then make sure permission is granted to files and media. After that, you can simply restart your phone and you're good to go. This is how to fix WhatsApp waiting for this message issue on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.